Hi everyone, welcome to this video where we'll be diving into Shopify. What is it, how it works, and why it's such a powerful platform for starting your online store. Shopify is one of the most popular e-commerce platforms in the world, helping millions of businesses sell products online. Whether you're just starting or looking to scale your business, stick around to learn how Shopify can make your e-commerce journey a little bit smoother. What exactly is Shopify? In simple terms, Shopify is an all-in-one e-commerce platform that allows anyone to create an online store and sell products, whether digital or physical products. It's not just for large-scale businesses. Shopify caters for all sizes, from startups to established enterprises. The platform handles everything, including website hosting, product listing, payment processing, and inventory management, making it an excellent choice for beginners and experienced sellers alike. Let's break down how Shopify works step by step. Step 1, setting up your store. When you sign up, Shopify gives you access to a wide range of customizable themes. You can easily tailor the look and feel of your store without needing any coding skills thanks to the drag and drop editor. Step 2, adding products. Adding products to your Shopify store is very straightforward. You simply upload product images, write descriptions, set prices, and organize them into collections. You can sell physical items and digital downloads, even services. Setting up your payments. Shopify makes payment processing so easy. You can choose Shopify payments or integrate with the popular gateways like your Yoko, your Paystack, or your Payfast in South Africa, allowing you to accept credit cards, debit cards, and way more. Step number 4, managing orders. Once you start selling, you'll manage orders through Shopify's user-friendly dashboard. Whether you're shipping physical products or delivering digital downloads, Shopify helps you stay organized and efficient. Step number 5, which is shipping and delivery. Shopify allows you to set up shipping rates and options, connect with major carriers such as DHL or FedEx, and manage your inventory to ensure that you always stay on top of deliveries. Now, let's talk about why Shopify is such a popular choice. Firstly, its ease of use. Shopify is incredibly beginner friendly with a drag and drop functionality and customizable themes, so you create a professional looking store without any design experience and coding experience. Second reason is scalability. Whether you're just starting out or running a large scale business, Shopify offers you tools and features to grow with you. Thirdly is the built-in marketing tools. Shopify comes with built-in SEO optimization, email marketing integrations, and social media selling capabilities, helping you drive more traffic and more sales. Number 4 is the extensive app store that Shopify has. You have access to Shopify App Store, where you can find apps that add extra features like product reviews, upselling options, and advanced analytics for your online store. Last but not least, we have 24/7 support. If you ever need help, Shopify support team is available via chat, email, and phone 24/7, 365. Now, let's quickly go over the pricing. Shopify offers several plans. Mainly, we have the basic Shopify plan, which is great for beginners. And then we have the Shopify plan, which is ideal for growing businesses with more sales. And then we have the advanced Shopify plan, which is perfect for scaling businesses with larger needs. Plus, there's a 14-day free trial where you can test out the platform before committing to anything, which is a great way to see if it's the right platform for you and your online business.